What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, right now we're going to talk about how to set up a line plot. I have my table of information. I have all my chalk colors and their lengths. But first I need to decide what numbers and then what fractions am I going to plot. One thing that you can do is when you look at all of your fractions and your numbers is look for the smallest number and the biggest number. So when I look, I see 3, 3.5, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and 4. Smallest number I see is a 2. So I'm going to start with 2 as a whole number. And then the biggest number that I see is a 4. So 4 is going to go on this end. Right in the middle between 2 and 4, I know comes 3. I have my whole numbers plotted. Now I have to do the fractions. When I look, I see 1/2, 1/2, and 1/2. So I know that I'm going to put in my halves. Halves come right in between 2, 2 and 1/2, 3, right in the middle will be 3 and 1/2, 4. Now my line plot is all set up, and I actually have a special guest who's gonna come plot the points. Special guest!
What is up, you guys?
Wait.
It's Miss Ray.
It's Miss Ray! It's Miss Ray! She's gonna show us how to plot the points. Here's your pen.
Okay.
Let's do it.
All right. So one thing that I like to do when I plot the points is I plot it and then I cross it off so that I know that I'm done with it. So I'm just gonna start from here and I'm gonna go straight down. So one thing I see is the yellow chalk is 3 inches. I'm gonna plot it right here on my 3 inches and then cross it off. Okay. Next, my blue chalk is 3.5 inches. I'm gonna find my 3.5 inches and plot it right here. And then cross it off. Perfect. Next, my red chalk is 2.5 inches. Find my 2.5 inches, plot my point, and cross it off. Then another 3 inches, plot my point up here, and cross it off. So now this is telling me that I have 2 pieces of chalk that are 3 inches. Then my green chalk is 3.5 inches, plot my point, cross it off. And my last one is 4 inches, cross it off, plot my point. Perfect! And you're all done.
All right, you guys, that is how you set up a line plot and plot the points. Tomorrow, if you come in the morning and you're able to tell me who my special guest was, I will have a treat for you.
Oh,
Do you have a message to the kids?
drop a like, drop a comment, tell us that you watched this video, and tell us who's your favorite teacher.
Oh, okay. And also, I meant more like, do good on your test tomorrow.
Yeah, and also that. Do
Good
on your
luck,
test.
you guys, on your test.